फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं कृष्णा बलानी, योर आर्ट टीचर एंड आर्ट मेंटर, और मैं ही हूं मनीषा गिदवानी, दोनों ही मेरे नाम हैं. So let's see what I have for you guys in this video. This video is about how you can improve your drawing skills and how I improve my drawing skills. Like what are the exercises I practice to improve my drawing skills. So first of all, we will see what is the need to improve your drawing skills and how it's helpful, and then we will see different exercise. I have 6 exercises for you to improve your drawing skills, and at the end I have a task for you guys. So before we start, make sure that you have a notebook and pen so that you can note down all the important points, and make sure you make the notes so that everything will keep in your mind for longer term. See what is the need to improve your drawing skills. फर्स्ट इज इट शार्पन्स योर ऑब्जर्वेशन स्किल्स. हमारी ड्राइंग जितनी अच्छी होगी हमारी ऑब्जर्वेशन स्किल्स इंप्रूव होगी, एंड इट्स वाइस वर्सा. इफ हमारी ऑब्जर्वेशन स्किल्स बहुत अच्छी हैं तो हमारी ड्राइंग स्किल्स डेफिनेटली अच्छी होंगी. सो ऑब्जर्वेशन स्किल्स और ड्राइंग स्किल्स आर लाइक गो टुगेदर साइमल्टेनियसली. ऑब्जर्वेशन स्किल्स अच्छी हैं तो ड्राइंग स्किल्स अच्छे होंगे, ड्राइंग स्किल्स अच्छे हैं तो ऑब्जर्वेशन स्किल्स अच्छे होंगे. To it help us to improve the observations. Your drawing skills also helps you in a different way. Like it helps you to improve your critical thinking. It helps you to make decision properly. Like you can like in drawing, how we make decisions is like decision making while analyzing the shapes. Like what are the shapes, how the lines are going to be. And it also help us to quickly get the composition of elements in a particular drawing, and it also help us to improve the perspective of the drawing. Third is it improves your hand-eye coordination, and the fourth thing is it helps you to draw faster. If you skilled yourself in drawing, you can draw faster. You don't have to spend much time in drawing that. Last thing is if your drawing skills get improved, you can expand professionally. Now let me brief this little bit. If you want to paint something very good, if you want to paint something beautifully, your drawing should be beautiful. Painting is okay, we have to work on that also, but the base is drawing. We have to improve our drawing first. We have to make the drawing beautifully. हम पैराग्राफ्स लिखते हैं, ऐसे लिखते हैं, आर्टिकल्स लिखते हैं, बट क्या अगर हमें अल्फ़ाबेट्स ही ना आते हो, हमें वर्ड फॉर्मेशन ही नहीं आता हो. सो दिस हैपन्स इन द ड्राइंग ऑल्सो, इट हैपन्स इन द आर्ट ऑल्सो. अगर आपको बहुत अच्छी पेंटिंग बनानी है तो आपको बहुत अच्छी ड्राइंग करना तो सीखना ही पड़ेगा. सो अगर आप एक्सपेंड करना चाहते हैं प्रोफेशनली तो आपको आपकी ड्राइंग स्किल्स इम्प्रूव करने ही पड़ेंगे. नाउ वी विल सी 6 different exercises for improving your drawing skills, and these exercises I also practice and I still practice regularly to improve my drawing. You can consider these exercises as a warm-up exercise also. Like before you starting drawing, we need to warm up our hand and eye coordination. So you can practice these exercises as your warm-up exercise also. Let me tell you the different exercises which you are going to practice. Like we will learn about the different types of lines. We will learn how to draw circles and geometric shapes. Among these exercises, the last one, the rapid sketching, is one of my favorite. You must let me know in the comment like among these exercises which you find best for you or which is favorite for you. Don't forget to comment. How you can improve your drawing, I'm going to tell you 6 exercises which you have to practice. The first exercise is draw different types of line. Okay, so when I talk about different types of lines, it will be like horizontal lines, vertical lines, slant lines, wavy lines, okay, zigzag lines. I have made a whole long video in which I have shown all the different kinds of line. Like there are so many lines. You can check it on my channel, or I'm also going to share the link in the description box so that you can check it from there also. I have shared a long video where I have tell you about all the different kinds of lines. So like this you have to practice different types of lines. Okay, then the second exercise is you have to practice circles. Okay, like make circle like this. Use your whole hand and try to make circle like this. Okay, the second is you can make the circle within the circle. You have to do it a little bit slowly. Maintain the gap. You have to go slowly for this thing. Okay, like circle within the circle. You can make it like this, round, 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 round. You can go like this. It's the same size, or you can do it like this also, like go bigger, then keep on going smaller circles. You can practice it like this. You can do it opposite also, like start from the small and go bigger. It will help you to move your shoulder. Like you can draw from your whole, like you can use your whole hand for making the circles. This exercise will help you in that, because circle is not a big thing to draw freehand. You just have to learn how you can move your whole hand for making circles. So like this you have to practice circles, make big small circles. And like you can do one thing like this also, like first make a circle. Okay, then keep on moving on it, like you are keep on pressing the same circle. Okay, like this also your hand movement will improve. Now this is the first exercise. This is the second exercise. Third exercise is draw geometric shapes. Like let's draw a square. You can draw any shape, like say draw a square and a triangle. Okay, and you have to practice the cross hatching inside it. Cross hatching is like this. You have to make lines, continuous lines like this, and you have to make opposite lines in it. So like this you have to practice the cross hatching and the inside the geometric shape. I also shared the hatching and cross hatching in the video, that line video I am going to share in the description. You can check there also. Like this you have to make the strong geometric shapes and do the cross hatching inside it. You can practice the hatching as well. So this is the third exercise you have to do. Fourth exercise is you have to make organic shapes. Okay, do you know the difference between geometric and organic shape? Geometric shapes are the shapes like this, which you already know, जो हम बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं, like square, rectangle, triangle, square, having name. Organic shapes are the random shapes, or you can see these kind of shapes in nature. Like it can be cloud. Okay, like all the clouds are of different shape. It can be randomly anything. Okay, it can be like tree shape. So these are the organic shape. Now what you have to do, the exercise number 4 is that you have to make random patterns in it. Now when we talk about the patterns, so again the line will come. So basically lines are the very important thing which you must practice. So let's draw the random pattern. It like I am going to draw curves in it, then I'm going to draw lines in it, then I'm going to draw dash lines inside it. Okay, like this. Again I'm drawing the lines. Let's make spirals. So you have to draw randomly inside the organic shape. Okay, this is the fourth exercise. Now fifth exercise is it's like you have to draw anything but without lifting your pencil or pen. Okay, that is the fifth exercise. You have to draw anything without lifting your pen or pencil. Let's say I'm going to draw a flower over here. Okay, so I will not lift my pencil and try to make the petals. It's going to be super fun. Okay, like this. Now again I have to make come down and make the stem of this one. So what I'm doing, I'm just again following this path and making stem like this. Okay, got it. So like this you have to practice. Let's make a tree. So what sorry, leaves. So I'm making a stem. Okay, we'll go again back over here. Let's make leaves. Again let's make a leaf and a leaf. Again come back. So the important thing is that you don't have to lift your pencil or your pen from the paper. Okay, so like this you have to practice this exercise. Last exercise is rapid sketching that I'm going to tell you in a very different and a fresh paper. Last exercise is sixth one, that is rapid sketching. You can see these are some of my rapid sketching where you have to sketch very rapidly. You don't have to go for the details, you just have to capture the feel of the your subject which you are going to draw. You can draw anything, like you can draw human, you can draw animals, you can draw objects, so anything you can do, but the main thing is you have to get the capture. But and as I said, it's rapid sketching, so there will be time limit, like you have to set time, like you have to draw in 5 minutes, you are going to draw in 10 minutes, you are going to draw in 6 minutes, you are going to draw in 4 minutes. Like this you have to set the time and draw very quickly. So it's basically known as the quick sketching or rapid sketching. So you can see some of my sketchings are like this. I have chosen uh, random figures and the things to sketch it out. Okay, like this. So these all are known as the rapid sketching. Okay, I had practiced some human bodies. Let me show you. I have practiced some objects as well. Like I have practiced all the old mans over here. Some these are some my real life pictures which I have clicked. Okay, like this is the temple in my township. This is one of the building in my township. So like this you can sketch it anything randomly. I just want to look if I have done some objects as well. You can see some small objects also I have practiced. This is also real time, um, like I have sketched it in real time, like live drawing at it. And some are of the reference I have taken, like urban sketching I have did. This is again my self clicked image. Okay, I have clicked the picture and I tried to sketch it out. And let me see some objects. Okay, you can see some of the objects I have did. This is, I really love to sketch objects and the urban sketches basically. Okay, so like this you can sketch anything. It just to be very quick and random. Okay, these are also some real life objects. Okay, so now I'm going to sketch out one right now in the room and show you guys. Sketch a flower, let's say a rose. Now, as I told you, I have a task for you guys. Task is that you have to mix match these exercises. Like I have told you how to draw different lines. I have told you how to draw a circle. So you can mix lines and circles now. Like you can make a circle and inside it try to make different lines. Like draw something without lifting a pan. First draw something and do the cross hatches inside that. Like you can draw a rapid sketching. Like if you have draw anything, like if you have did rapid sketching, if you draw any object or any human figure, try to make them inside this circle. Okay, try to make them inside a geometric box. So like this, mix match these 6 exercises. This is the task for you. This task is like it will very helpful for you, and also it like recapitulation of your learning, what you have learned in this video, and also it's like very therapeutic for you. It makes you stress free. It's a super fun. It's like doodling. So you are definitely going to enjoy this. So must do this task and share your work with me. I'm putting my Instagram ID and the Facebook ID in the description box. You can check there. If you are practicing it, make sure me. I just want to see how you are doing. And like my this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay connected with me. And if you want me to make any video on any particular topic, so comment that also. I will definitely make that video for you. Thank you.